What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. We're just going to go over Baby Doge today. We're going to talk about some technical analysis. We're going to go over the new stuff that just now happened with Baby Doge Swap. And I'm also going to go over my journey farming and staking in Baby Doge Swap so far. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Definitely go ahead and check out my other channel, Marcellus Travels, link in the description, and let's get straight to it. So, now the previous technical analysis for Baby Doge, I talked about how we are probably not going to get above this area. This is a lot of red right here. So if you're wondering what the red right here is, this is our supply and demand area, and it's definitely showing that we have way less demand inside of this area. There's way less demand inside of here. So what we're seeing right now is that rejection point. We're seeing that we're getting rejected here at that resistance. So now we're also going straight down from here. So I mentioned also in my previous video where we're more than likely going to end up going next. And that next area is going to be all the way down here at 8Z10. We're over here at 8Z1163. So we're going to see the 10 area coming pretty soon here for Baby Doge if we continue on this path. Now, if we start to get some big news, Baby Doge teasing the game, Baby Doge teasing the debit card, Baby Doge teasing the wallet, if anything like that happens, then what you're going to end up seeing is Baby Doge starting to pump from here, or if we just start trending on Twitter right now. But so far, technically, we're supposed to be going down right now for the technicals. Now, if you want to talk fundamentally, like I said, if any of those things happen, then fundamentally we can just randomly start pumping. But yeah, right now, technically, with the technicals, we're definitely going to be going down for a little bit longer here with Baby Doge. Definitely expect to see 8Z10 if we, don't have anything big coming out. But like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. But also over here, you're seeing in the 24-hour market control, it's bearish by 60%. So we are, set to go down a little bit further here for Baby Doge, which isn't much of a problem. I bought a little bit more Baby Doge just so I can farm some, and I'll probably keep doing that, dollar cost averaging with Baby Doge, but we'll see there. And also, this is the 4-hour chart over here. The previous one was the 15-minute chart. Now, as you can see for the 4-hour chart, what I said is pretty much coming into fruition here. You can actually see we're about to go down below this less demand area. We have less demand in this area. So look, if we end up breaking this, then it is possible, like I said, 8Z10. So that's really what we're looking towards here with Baby Doge if we continue to go down on this downtrend. Because this whole pump right here was all because of the Baby Doge swap, the teasing of the Baby Doge swap. And then the second the Baby Doge swap came out, it actually started to drop because people just wanted those little gains. But hey, whatever floats your boat there. But yeah, that's pretty much all right now with Baby Doge. And like I said, 9Z7 is still looking like towards our bottom here. And 9Z9 is definitely looking like a support that we're going to land before that 9Z7 area. So we have a lot to work on here with Baby Doge. And if we became bullish, obviously we have these resistance areas that we got rejected at before on the 5th. So I still think that Baby Doge could become bullish, but right now we gotta wait for the pullback and we gotta wait for all that to happen. Now, I'm going to go over the Bitcoin technical, but first I want to show you this inside of Baby Doge Swap. As you can see, Baby Doge Swap, I have been getting my reflections, and yeah, I still been getting those. My farming rewards. So yeah, I'm still getting those farming rewards here. It is definitely pretty nice to see it, continuing to increase. I've been farming for like 2 days now. It's over here at 66 cents. I only put in like $90. So I guess if I put in way more, like let's say I put in $900, then I would have $6.66. If I put inside of $9,000, then it would be at $66 farmed in 2 days. And if I put in $90,000, then it would be $666 farmed in 2 days. So you see the significance of this. The more money you're going in with, you go in with $900,000, which is going to be really hard to get. That would have been 6,666 inside of 2 days. So yeah, once you start working with big money, when you're doing this farming stuff, you start making big money and you really start having that passive income, because that's enough to live off of. If you have $90,000 to spare, I mean, you can just live off $600 every single 2 days. And you just got to think about that. Like typically we have 30 days in a month. If you divide that by 2, and because we're going by 2 days here, and then you multiply that $666, I mean, that's $9,900 a month, and that's if you have $90,000. Obviously, it's hard to get $90,000 and just throw it all in one project, but still, when you look at the significance of this, if you can actually garner up a lot of money, if you can actually build up $1,000 to $10,000, you can make a good amount of money here with Baby Doge Swap. So that's definitely a pretty good thing that I like about Baby Doge Swap. But we'll go ahead and get off this now because I just wanted to show you my update. I'll continue to update you all every single day. This is the Baby Doge Road to 100x series, and I'm going to continue to update you all every single day with this. So I'm going to let you all know how much more I put in because I'm definitely going to put some more in on this farming. Like I said, though, I'm just waiting for us to go down to like 99, 97. I only bought a little bit. I only bought like $90 worth now just to show you all the process and then show you all my the road to putting in more. So I'm definitely going to go in more on this. And I have some more Baby Doge swap, or not Baby Doge swap, but some more Baby Doge coin just chilling inside my trust wallet. I'm not going to even touch like that. Baby Doge is just going to stay there for a while. But as for this, I'm just waiting to see how far this can take me. We still have some good percentages here with that. That's 173% APR. So that's pretty good. Now, let's talk about some other things. As you can see here, Baby Doge, it's only down 2.1% for the last 24 hours. Not too bad. I mean, it's still down, but it's still not too bad. So I'm not really complaining about that. Now, also over here, you can see our holders are increasing for Baby Doge. You can see it 1,626,974 holders every single day. We're getting more and more holders coming into Baby Doge. So it's definitely nice to see our holders increasing like that. So that's definitely pretty good. And also, Baby Doge Swap right here is now displayed on CoinGecko's terminal. So the Gecko terminal is now displayed on there, as you can see right here. Baby Doge slash WNB, WBNB, and all the other different pools here on Baby Doge. So yeah, we've got our whole thing set up here on CoinGecko. And me personally, I like going to DeFi Llama. But as you can see over here with DeFi Llama, we're literally right under Shiba Swap. And if any of you know, Shiba Swap has been out for a year and actually more than a year at this point. So yeah, the fact that Baby Doge is already right under Shiba Swap, we're at rank 190 on DeFi Llama, Shiba Swap at rank 189. This is very significant because we've only been out for 2 weeks now. And actually, if you look over here, Shiba Swap is at 23.5 million total value locked, whereas Baby Doge is at $23.47 million locked. We are literally like 0.03 away from passing Shiba Swap, and we've only been out for 2 weeks. So for anyone saying that Baby Doge doesn't have the possibility to 100x, Baby Doge can't quite possibly get to where Shiba Inu and Doge are. That's a lie, because the fact that our total value locked is already passing them in the last 7 days, we're up 21% in our total value locked. A lot of people are really jumping in on Baby Doge Swap. And see, the difference between Shiba Swap and Baby Doge Swap, like the Baby Doge developers, they're really focusing on making Baby Doge Swap the face of Baby Doge. See, Shiba Swap is not the face of Shiba Inu. Like Shiba Inu is the face of Shiba Inu. The Shiba army, Shiba Inu. They're the face of Shiba Inu. And now they're making the game the face of Shiba Inu. Whereas Baby Doge Swap, they're really focusing on making Baby Doge Swap the pinnacle of Baby Doge. So that's one thing I've been noticing. They've just been talking about it all the time. They're doing a lot of promo on it, and Baby Doge Swap is just getting so much fake time. It's getting so much airtime. A lot of people are talking about it, so a lot of people are jumping in on it. And I'm noticing every single day there's an update for Baby Doge Swap. Like for instance, like CoinGecko Terminal now listing us on there. And then we got over here, we got more people joining in and sponsoring rewards farms on Baby Doge Swap every single day. So IMOV is now a part of Baby Doge Swap. They joined. So there's a lot of different farms that keep coming up here in Baby Doge Swap. If you actually look over here, you're seeing a lot of different KYC ones, the core ones, and then when you go all the way down here, we keep getting new. We keep getting new farms that aren't a part of the core of the KYC, but still there's a lot of them joining in on here. We got Grove Token. We got so many different cryptos over here. So it's definitely exciting to see a lot of people, joining in on our farms. And then when you look at the pools, it's a whole nother story when you look at the pools, because the pools, they have even more stuff over here. So there's a lot of money staked in Baby Doge Swap. There's a lot of money locked up in here. We got Floki over here. But to be completely honest, I'm not going to jump in on the public ones just because the public ones, anyone can create one and just throw it up there. But I'm me personally, you can do whatever you want. I stay with the KYC and the core ones, but still, it's still nice to see that we keep getting a lot of these public pools here. So that's still pretty cool. Now, also, as you can see, Moonscan over here, inside the last 24 hours, we burned 8.1 or 8.129 trillion baby doge, which comes out to be $9,200. So that's a lot of money that we keep burning here in baby doge. That's pretty cool. In the last 7 days, we burned 50 trillion, which is over here at about $57,000 burned inside of the last 7 days. 50 trillion. That's a lot. And then you see over here the last 30 days, we burned 302 trillion baby doge, which is $344,000 inside the last 30 days. So that's pretty significant. If we can keep this up, we could start doing a trillion every month, and the burns are definitely moving at a pretty good pace. So I'm definitely pretty happy with how we're moving here with our burns on baby doge swap. But yeah, that's all for that. Now moving back over here to DeFi Llama, let's look at the total value locked and how it's been, going for the last few days. So as you can see over here, the 9th of October, it was $16 million. And now it's the 18th of October at 23.47 million. So we're moving at a pretty good pace here with Baby Doge Swap. And we're going to continue to rise here. I just want to see how far we can take this, how high we can take this all the way up there. Our last 24-hour trading volume here for Baby Doge Swap was $288,000. That's actually pretty good. It's a 92.67% change in the last 24 hours. So that's also pretty good over there. And that's a lot of money that's, transacting through Baby Doge Swap. So that's definitely pretty good as well. Now, moving on from this, let's talk about the Bitcoin technical analysis as well. So as you can see here with Bitcoin, like I mentioned in my previous video, we did get rejected here, and that was at a high activity area. It shows high activity here, but you can start to see how the red started to form, the less demand started to form up. And we just kept getting topped out here at the top where this red bar is, and that's pretty much our supply and demand of less demand area. We just kept, getting topped out up there. So it did not want to go anywhere above there. You're also seeing over here that we're oversold on the oscillator. So all that overselling is going to call for some buying. So you may see Bitcoin rising up just a little bit more, maybe even back all the way up to 19.6K because it is coming off of an oversold area. But there's always the possibility that it continues to go down. Because look, we were oversold right here. This whole area, when it went all the way from here and down, it was oversold. And it kind of traded sideways for a little bit. And it didn't have much buying coming in. So we weren't able to actually get above that resistance up there. So the same thing could happen again. So where we just continue to go down even lower from there, which would look like something like this going all the way down to this support at 19K. We do have higher activity down here. So that 19K area will probably spark a little buying frenzy back up to 19.3K and then back down. And like I said, I'm still predicting us going down to 18.2K here inside of Bitcoin. I'm still predicting that because like that's where our next more demand area for our supply and demand is, which is 18.2K. That's why I'm expecting 18.2K. Still, we keep getting rejected at the same resistance areas. Back here, it was rejected like twice up here. And then over here, we got rejected twice as well. So I'm thinking the same thing will probably happen again to where we go back down to 18.2K and then, eventually go down below that. But yeah, I'm still looking towards that for Bitcoin. And like I said, I still believe Bitcoin is going to do a 10K bottom. A lot of people don't like the 10K bottom Bitcoin because they just wanted to go to the moon. But I love a 10K bottom Bitcoin because that's when I'm going to start throwing money in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Baby Doge. That's when I'm going to be throwing my money all over the place whenever we reach 10K bottom Bitcoin because everything else will have bottomed by that time as well. But anyways, this is just what I think. Definitely let me know what you all think about this. Leave a comment in the comment section. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, I'll be back with another video.